Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to hide right to left controls Google Sheets on computer. So how to hide right to left controls Google Sheets on computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Google Sheets application on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Google Sheets. Just point the cursor at the top left of the screen. There are many options. Tap this three-line icon. Here a scrolling menu will appear like this. Tap the Settings menu. Now here it is in the Settings menu. And there are several menu options. Tap on the right side of the text Always Show Right to Left Controls. Once finished, tap OK. The function of hiding this feature is that the button does not appear, and the text still follows the default left to right format without additional setting options. So that's it, tutorial how to hide right to left controls Google Sheets on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.